Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today we're just going to do a quick clean with me. We're just going to clean up my bedroom and put some things away, make up the bed, and it's going to be really quick. So let's get started. First thing we're doing is making the bed. That's normally the first thing I always do, and then I move to the side tables and then go from there. So we're going to make up the bed real quick and then we'll move on. I love all my books. I love to read, especially at night. That just helps me go to sleep. It eases my mind, and then I'm able to easily fall asleep after I read. So I have all my books every year, or books that I'm currently reading or have just finished reading. They're all on my side table. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe down below, and I hope this gave you the motivation you need to go tackle that one room this weekend.